How to make decal with Silhouette Cameo. Step 1. First, go to the Page Setup panel, select the second tab and check the grid settings. Step 2. Select the first tab and select your machine from the drop-down. Step 3. Click the cutting mat drop-down and select the mat you'll be using. Step 4. Set the media size from the drop-down. Step 5. Under the Print and Cut Borders section, check the Show Cut Border option. Step 6. Once you've set the Page Setup panel, open the Text Style panel from the right toolbar if you wish to create a text decal. Step 7. Search and select the font you want to use, then go over to the left toolbar and click the text icon. Step 8. Type in the text you want to use for your decal, then click anywhere out on the screen. Step 9. Zoom into the media and drag the design out to make it a little bigger. Step 10. Check the letters and see if they are overlapping. Step 11. To make the text into a solid decal design, select the design and click Weld in the Quick Access toolbar. Step 12. Welding the design together should get rid of the overlapped letters. Step 13. Highlight over the entire design and click Group Selected Shapes in the Quick Access toolbar. Step 14. If you have a design for the decal, go to File in the top bar and select Open. Step 15. Search for the design you want to use, select it and click OK to load it into the media. Step 16. Once the design loads into the media, resize it. Step 17. Go to the Send panel and set Vinyl as the material under Carriage 1. Step 18. Check the cutting blade settings, force, and the rest of the settings. Step 19. Grab the material, place it onto the mat and smooth it down. Step 20. Load the mat into the machine and set the placement of the mat using the directional keys. Step 21. Go back to Silhouette Studio and click Send. Step 22. The machine will start cutting. Step 23. Once it's done cutting, unload the mat, flip the mat over and peel it away from the material. Step 24. Trim off the excess material using a paper trimmer or a scissor. Step 25. Grab the weeding tool and weed out the design. Step 26. Next, grab a piece of transfer tape and trim it down to fit the design. Step 27. Peel off the backing sheet, then place the transfer tape onto the design. Step 28. Scrape it down using a squeegee tool to ensure that the decal adheres well to the transfer tape. Step 29. Your vinyl decal is ready. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.